Good morning. What? You'll always be in my heart. Love, your mom. Laura, where did she go? Oh no, we'll find her. Is she here somewhere? No, let's keep looking. Yikes! She's not here either. What do we do now? 10 hours earlier. Is Claire home? I'll be waiting downstairs. Here it is. A fishy message. What does it say? I can't unlock it. Stupid spy gadgets. Oh, I have another daughter. Screen unlocking payment. Look here. Okay, the phone is unlocked. What? Waiting for you downstairs? Come without Dad. Okay, I will. Wait, don't go anywhere. A wet surprise. What? Who read my message? You unlocked my phone again! You traitor! What's going on here? That's no good! Honey, fix this! Claire, your family is so nice! Now it's perfect! There's a fight for the bathroom every morning! I'm first! No, I am! First round! I'm in charge here! And I'll go to the bathroom first! Got it? Oh no! Don't do it, Dad! I figured it all out! Here's the schedule! And the first one to shower is me! Whatever! Morning is the hardest part of the day for the dad of twins. He has to cook 2 breakfasts, get 2 backpacks ready, and dress his 2 kids fast. Chop chop, girls! You are gonna miss the bus. A jacket, a hat, a sweater. That's it. I'm out of clothes. Dad, I'm hot. Dad, do I only get a scarf? Oh no! I failed the morning. You did it all wrong. This is how you get ready for a morning routine. Prepare a healthy breakfast the night before. And keep it in the fridge. Lay out their clothes and get their backpacks ready. Sign it all so you don't mix anything up. It's easy. Thanks, Mom. Girls, study hard. What? My trophy? Girls! Who did that? Mary? Was it you? Or you? Wait, which one of you is Mary? You look the same. How did I tell you apart earlier? Mary and Claire. Now I won't mix you up. Can I take the paper off? Great idea. I am so smart. Old life hacks are the best. Girls, don't move. Honey, put the marker away. Girls, do you like piercings? Who wants a new accessory? Mary gets a moon, and Claire gets a sun. A marker is safe. Forget it, Martin. Awesome life hack. I'm gonna hand the phone over to Mary. Hold on, which one of you? There's something on the wall. Mary has a moon. It all adds up. Here's the phone. Mom's calling. This scarf is mine. No, it's mine. I got it first. It looks better on me. No need to fight. I'm gonna make 2 scarves for you right now. Stop. Then they'll both have a short scarf. That's worse for everyone. Cut the scarf lengthwise, not crosswise. A long scarf for each girl. Wow! Thanks, Mom! Mary! What's up, Mary? Or are you Mary? Whatever, I have a special app. Let's see. Oh, Mary's on the right. Come here, sweetie. What did I want? Oh, never mind. I can't remember. Honey, where's my phone? What is this? Are you wearing a Monday shirt? But it's Tuesday. Go change right now. Mom, Dad, how did you meet? Oh, that's an awesome story. I was an undercover agent back then. And your mom used to be a cashier at a store. I'm a special agent, and this is my task. Oh, wow! I am so lucky. Stay quiet. 3, 2, 1, now! Nobody move. This is a robbery. Miss, may I have this dance? What are they doing? You guys are under arrest. That's what happened. What? You? An undercover agent? Yeah, sure. And the little bear went... What was that? So scary! Dad, wake up! It's just thunder! Oh no! Not that! Darling, don't pass out! We are not done with my leg yet! Ah! No! Please! Take it away! Look at this cute little spider! Oh! Our daddy is so sensitive! Ha! Listen to me! I'll tell you what really happened! It was the last show on my world tour! Thank you, guys! I love you! Wait! Your wig! Oops! My hair! Knock, knock! I think you dropped this! Oh! You are so caring! We performed a romantic duet and got married. You? A singer? But you can't sing at all! Oh! You are my favorite girls! Mom, stop! Our ears can't handle that! Well, it's enough! We want to hear the real story! Okay then, fine! Here's the truth! Oh! This poor guy needs help! He can't handle twins! Supermom is coming to the rescue! Just the essentials! Operation Twins has begun! Girls, why are you crying? How can I calm you down? They need me! Calm down, baby! Wow! It worked! You are a super mom! Blah, blah, blah! You are making up stories again! Whatever! They'll believe us someday! It's time to get up! Good morning! What? You'll always be in my heart? Love, your mom? Laura? Where did she go? Mommy? Where are you going? Don't leave us alone! Sorry, but I have to go. My mission is over. You are doing great on your own. And there are other kids waiting for me. And other struggles. A volcano! Oops! Wrong portal! Somebody! Oh! I will always love you. Goodbye! Now there are 3 of us, girls. And we'll always stay together. I'm a super mom, and I have superpowers. 1. Magic cleaning. 2. Super speed. 3. Predicting kids' wishes. Mom, I got it, babies! Wow! What superpowers does your mom have? Comment your answer down below.